Every morning, while the world around us wakes up, to us, they may look like they're simply walking around. But every one of them seems to have somewhere to go. And why do they all disappear into this tiny hole?
Sometimes, the most amazing worlds are hiding in the smallest places.
Beneath this tiny entrance is a world we rarely get to see. But beneath the surface, something much more complex is taking shape. To us, it may look like nothing more than a small hole in the ground. The entrance leads to a network of tunnels. And those tunnels branch into different parts of the colony. Together, these passages connect a series of underground chambers.
Some areas are used to handle and store food.
Others are dedicated to raising the colony's young. Everywhere, thousands of tiny movements are happening at once. From above, it looks like a tiny entrance. Below it is an entire city. And there is one ant that stands out from the rest, the queen. She has a crucial role in the colony, especially when it comes to reproduction. But the queen isn't a commander. She doesn't walk through the tunnels assigning jobs. So how does a worker know where to go? Part of the answer is hidden in the way ants communicate. Ants communicate using chemical signals called pheromones. These invisible chemical messages can guide other ants toward food, away from danger, or toward important areas of the colony. No single ant controls the colony. Instead, countless small signals help create something that looks remarkably organized. Imagine one worker discovers a valuable food source. It carries what it can and heads back home. As it travels, it can leave a chemical trail behind. Soon, another ant encounters the trail. It follows the information left behind by the first ant. Then more ants discover it. Before long, a simple path can become a busy food highway. The more useful the trail is, the more strongly it can be reinforced. One ant's discovery can therefore influence the behavior of many others. But food isn't the only thing the colony has to care for. Deep inside the colony is its nursery. Here, workers care for the colony's developing young. And the young require constant attention. The eggs eventually develop into larvae. If conditions change, workers can move them to a more suitable location. The colony constantly responds to its surroundings. Eventually, these young ants become the next generation of workers. And the cycle of colony life continues. But who builds all these tunnels? One ant moves one tiny piece of soil. Another moves another. And thousands of ants repeat these simple actions. Little by little, the space changes. A passage becomes a chamber, and separate chambers become connected. There is no architect standing above them with a blueprint, yet their countless small actions can produce astonishing complexity. But life underground isn't always peaceful. A sudden collapse can block an important tunnel. The workers immediately begin responding. Some begin clearing the obstruction. Others search for another route. Traffic gradually shifts. Meanwhile, repairs continue. No single ant needs to understand the entire problem. Each worker simply responds to what it encounters. Soon, the passage is part of their daily routine again. But there is another problem every colony eventually faces. Sometimes, an ant dies. Workers can detect chemical changes associated with death. And the colony responds. They remove the body from areas where the colony is active.
Sometimes it is taken outside.
Sometimes, the bodies are placed in a separate waste area, far from the colony's living spaces. Keeping waste away from living areas can help reduce potential risks to the colony. And while one ant's life has ended, the rest of the colony continues.
So every time I see a line of ants, there could be a whole city hiding underneath my feet. A city where everyone has a job, and somehow, they all work together. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more fun. See you in my next adventure.